DD India correspondent Shama Mishra joins us live from Mumbai. Shama, good morning. It's a Diwali morning. Let us know how is Mumbai all geared up to celebrate Diwali, the festival of lights.
Well, Preeti, a very happy Diwali to you too and all our DD News viewers. But here in Maharashtra, Diwali, the Lakshmi Pujan, would be celebrated tomorrow because today is the day when all the Maharashtrians have celebrated Diwali Pahad, which means early in the morning they will get up at around 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, and then they will apply Uptan, which is a fragrant natural Uptan, and they will thereafter take bath with that. Also, there is one fruit which they will break with their feet, and it is signifying that they are taking a victory over bad, over evil. Here we are here in Shivaji Park of Mumbai, and if you see, this place is completely changed into a selfie point area, and the entire stretch of Shivaji Park is beautifully decorated with places having these kind of setups to have people, have youngsters come and take photos, selfies, and across the Shivaji Park there are various lanterns, lightings put up so that when you see at night, the visuals here are amazing. Also, there are few youngsters here who are taking their pictures. We'd like to request them if you all can come here and excuse me, if you all can come and talk. So let's try and talk to them. How are you celebrating Diwali this year?
We are celebrating with our people. So my friends are here. We are having so fun. We're taking a lot of pictures. We wore good clothes. In the morning we had a Abhanga Snan, and that's how we are going.
Okay. Also, the Diwali Pujan would be celebrated tomorrow. So a bigger stretch for the festival this year. Yeah. What all is there on the bucket list?
A lot of shopping. We already done it, but we still need to do a lot of shopping. That's the whole goal. We are not spending a lot of money on fatakas and everything, but yeah, good food, sweets, and clothes.
Are you all spending the money on the Swadeshi products?
Of course, all things like Indian made and all environment friendly.
All right. Thank you very much and happy Diwali. So yes, the spirit of Swadeshi, the spirit of environment friendly purchase is definitely strong here in the youngsters, and because we've seen this year, the pattern has been that the youngsters have thronged the markets, and that is Dadar, Crawford Market, Shivaji Park areas, and various other markets which usually we used to see the elder crowd is now thronged by youngsters, and everybody is keen to buy Indian made products and Swadeshi products because they know that the money would go to the local guy, to the local person, local artisan, and that indirectly fuels the development wheel, churns the development wheel of the nation. So yes, that is about Swadeshi, but the celebrations in Mumbai, celebration in Maharashtra is huge, and like I was mentioning about Shivaji Park, that if you come here at night, if you see the visuals here at night, it'll be all amazing because if you see the visuals, they have put up the lightings all across Shivaji Park, and this area is huge. Just beside this Shivaji Park is the Chowpatty, Dadar Chowpatty, which is the sea area, and there also all the sea coastal areas, which is Shivaji Park, Dadar Chowpatty, Girgaon Chowpatty, Versova, these places will have firecrackers bursting at night in huge quantity, and people would be celebrating Diwali this way. Also tomorrow people would be going to their relatives' house or neighbor's house with the faral, with the sweets and other snacks they've made specially for Diwali, and this way Diwali would be celebrated. So yes, Mumbai, and if you see across Mumbai, across Maharashtra, people have dressed up in their very best traditional clothes, and Mumbai has been drenched in fervor and enthusiasm of Diwali. Preeti.
All right, so Mumbai, they're all geared up for Diwali celebrations. That was about Diwali celebrations, Shama. But Mumbai is also the financial capital of the country. We've seen how gold and silver have, set new records this time around. Get us a sense of how do we predict the markets, though it is the festive season and the markets would be a little laid back. But then how do we see this festive spirit also seep into the markets and the financial world?
Well, Preeti, this time around, since I've been covering Muhurat trading of the NSE and BSE, our Indian share markets, this is the first time, or in a very long time, this is the first time that I've seen that the Muhurat trading has spilled over to the second date of Diwali, because in Maharashtra, people are celebrating the Lakshmi Pujan tomorrow, which is on the 21st, and even the share markets would be celebrating their Lakshmi Puja as well as the Muhurat trading tomorrow at around 1:45 p.m. So, say about 1 hour of Muhurat trading would go on, and on this particular time, the markets, whichever way it goes, it is usually said that the entire year which is following would be the similar
On
one.
the same
If
lines.
it goes in green, the market entire year would be green. Yes, would be green. So we will have to go tomorrow at the NSE and BSE and see how the Muhurat trading is going on, and how the traders are enthusiastic about the fact that Muhurat trading will begin tomorrow for 1 hour, and they will be obviously putting in their very best. You also spoke about gold and silver. So just on Dhanteras, 2 days before, we did see that was a good news for the people of India. Gold prices and even silver prices had come down marginally. Gold prices were about 5,000 rupees down, and even silver was about 20,000 rupees down. So people really took this chance, or took this opportunity to purchase gold, because the prices have skyrocketed, and just 1 gram of gold was about 13,500, but that was after 5,000 rupees had come down. So people did took a chance on this purchase, whether it be the small coin or the lagdi, if they cannot purchase bigger ornaments, or even a 10-gram ornament. So they did purchase, and even the purchase of utensils, broom, and other important, significantly important products were high on Dhanteras. And like we said that Dhanteras is the first day of Diwali. Since then, we are seeing that Mumbai has been drenched in the fervor of celebration, and also it's lit up. Literally, it's lit up in the night, and every household, their balconies, their windows, their doors have colorful lightings, have innovative lightings, and other rangoli style, and other ways of decoration, which is pure magic, and pure beautiful sight to see. And yes, we would obviously hope that these celebrations go on for a month, but sadly this will only go for about another 10 days or so, till the time we celebrate Purnima, and then Mumbai will be back on its normal days.
All right, so the traders keep their fingers crossed for tomorrow. Nevertheless, Mumbai is all drenched in the spirit of Diwali. Thank you so much, Shyama, for joining in with those updates. You too have a safe and a prosperous Diwali.